To run an employee report, we will go to Reports and then select Employee. While in the Attendance tab, we have the ability to change any of these drop-downs. We can change the Employee drop-down, the Time Period drop-down, the Format drop-down, and then Active versus Inactive Employees. Once we have filled out our criteria, we select Run. Displayed, you will see the employee attendance based on the criteria you requested. To view the employee role-based payroll, select this tab, and from here we'll fill out the criteria below. Employee that we are looking for, what process we are looking for, daily or weekly, the time period that we are looking for, the format that we would like this to display in, active versus inactive employees, if we would like to sort in a certain way, and then the specific role that we're looking for. After we have filled all this out, we will select Run. You will see displayed below the report that you are looking for based on your criteria. You can hide and view these sections by turning these toggles on and off. Please keep in mind that all reports can be exported to Excel, PDF, and CSV files.